elements of the play equipment that you guys are getting actually have ropes. So they are all made here, so it's probably better to go over this way and show you a net and how it's put together. So all these ropes are on big reels here, so these are big reels of rope. So they start off in a reel and then they get cut aside, they get the ends joined onto them, which will then bolt into the timbers. The red caps are obviously, from a safety perspective, they hide any jointing or any catches where you could catch your fingers whilst playing. So it's making it safe and going back to those British and European safety standards. Certain things like the hole sizes have to be a certain size, so it can't be too big and it can't be too small, and that's to do with entrapments and things like that. So it's a very technical process that people often just overlook. So inside these ropes, because these need to be really, really strong, don't they? So you guys can play on them with your friends. And we want it to last and we don't want it to snap. It's got 6 lots of steel core in the rope. So that's never going to snap. You know, it just can't, because the actual metal that's inside the rope gives it the strength and obviously the longevity of life of product.
Yeah, have you got any like end bit on it?
So you're asking me a question I don't know the answer to, which I really like. I like the fact that you've asked me, but I don't know the answer. Before you leave, I'll see if I can find out for you. I can't promise, but I'll see if I can find out.
But do you have like, I know quite some companies I know like have like code words for certain things?
Yes.
Do you have any of those?
So there is jargon, yeah, so within the business there'll be jargon that people refer to that probably doesn't mean anything to anybody outside of the business, but means a lot when they're working internally with products, yeah. As much as you want, it's really, really grippy, isn't it? Really grippy. I know, it's good, isn't it? It's all cut out for different flat surfaces that are going to be on play equipment, on stepping logs, on pieces of trim trail. Yeah. So it's called anti-slip.
Excuse me, I've got a question.
Yes.
What about if it gets icy? Is it still then like, then wouldn't the ice like just like go in there?
Okay. So if anything gets icy, it gets slippy. And I think if it was icy, your school would be doing a health and safety risk assessment on that day at that time until the ice clears. Yeah. But that's the same with tarmac, with concrete.
Yeah.
You know,
So that's
anything. Yeah, anything that gets icy. That's right. So to save on the wastage, these are all the corners and the bits that go on the end that are cut out of the panels when we want something, but we don't want to waste anything.